AI is taking over. But these jobs are 100% safe. Which jobs are actually safe from AI? And which ones are next to disappear? The answer may shock you. AI is already replacing cashiers, drivers, and even writers. But not all careers are doomed. Some jobs are AI proof, and one of them might just be your future. Stay till the end, because the final job on this list is the most surprising. 1. Skilled labor jobs: electricians, plumbers, mechanics, carpenters. AI can process data, but can it climb under your sink and fix a leaking pipe? No matter how smart AI gets, it can't use physical tools, make real-time adjustments, or handle unpredictable hands-on work. That's why electricians, plumbers, mechanics, and carpenters will always be in demand. Imagine this: your car breaks down in the middle of nowhere. Will a robot come fix it? No way. Skilled labor jobs require problem solving, adaptability, and experience, things AI simply can't replicate. 2. Creative professions: filmmakers, artists, designers, writers, musicians. AI can generate art, music, and even videos. But can it create something truly original? A human feels emotions. AI just predicts patterns. That's why great films, unique designs, and powerful music will always need human creativity. Think about your favorite movie or song. Would it have the same impact if a robot made it? AI might assist, but it will never replace visionary artists. 3. Mental health professionals: therapists, psychologists, life coaches, social workers. Would you trust a chatbot with your deepest fears and emotions? AI can give automated advice, but it can't feel empathy, understand emotions, or provide genuine human connection. Mental health professionals like therapists, counselors, and life coaches will always be needed because people trust people, not robots. AI can analyze mental health patterns, but it will never truly care. 4. Entrepreneurs and business leaders: AI follows orders, but who gives them? Business owners, CEOs, and leaders. Successful businesses need strategy, risk-taking, and vision, things AI simply can't do. AI can optimize, but it can't innovate. That's why entrepreneurs, investors, and CEOs will always be a step ahead. Think about it. Would Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, or Steve Jobs ever let AI run their businesses? Not a chance. 5. AI and robotics engineers: the people who build AI. And now, here's the biggest twist. AI is taking over jobs, but who builds AI? That's right, AI engineers, robotics developers, and cybersecurity experts. These are some of the most in-demand careers because as AI grows, so does the need for people who understand and control it. Instead of fearing AI, why not learn to master it? Final thoughts. Which job will you choose? So, while AI is changing the world, these 5 careers are future-proof. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening insights.